So this all might sound a bit familiar to you. Artificial intelligence is everywhere these days. It's reshaping creative industries. Tools that were once the sole domain of artists and designers are now being wielded by machines. But are these tools just sophisticated toys or harbingers of a brave new world? In this video, we'll be looking at how artificial intelligence is changing the game when it comes to art. You may have heard of DALL, or MidJourney, or Stable Diffusion. These are some of the most popular text-to-image generators out there. And if you haven't heard of them, well, get ready for a mind-blowing journey. These platforms allow anyone to jump in and start creating incredible pieces of art simply by typing in a text prompt. They've taken the internet by storm, and with good reason. The images these platforms produce are nothing short of astonishing. We're talking photorealistic portraits of historical figures as ancient Greek statues, whimsical landscapes that defy the laws of physics, and anything in between. But here's the catch: there's more to these tools than meets the eye. For instance, DALL, and Stable Diffusion are both free to use, but they operate on a freemium model. This means while you can generate a certain number of images for free, you'll need to pay for additional generations. On the other hand, MidJourney operates on a subscription model with different tiers offering various features and a set number of monthly generations. But let's not stop at image generation. There are also AI music generators out there that can compose an entire symphony based on your text prompts. These tools are not just for professional artists or designers. Anyone with an internet connection can pick up a text prompt and create something beautiful. Let's talk about how human artists are collaborating with AI to create incredible works of art. This might sound like a futuristic concept, but it's happening right now. Artists are using AI tools to generate ideas, overcome creative blocks, and even co-create with machines. Some artists are using AI as a collaborator, bouncing ideas off it and using its suggestions to inform their work. Others are using AI to augment their skills, generating textures, patterns, or other elements to incorporate into their art. But what's driving this collaboration? Why are artists turning to AI? One major factor is the sheer power and versatility of these tools. They can generate ideas and concepts that humans might not have thought of. They can also execute ideas quickly and efficiently, freeing up time for artists to focus on other aspects of their work. But it's not just about efficiency. There's also a sense of wonder and excitement that comes with working with AI. Artists are pushing the boundaries of what's possible, exploring new creative frontiers, and discovering unexpected results. It's a chance to break the rules, experiment with new styles, and push the boundaries of artistic expression. The rise of AI technology has also sparked debate about the nature of creativity itself. How does a machine learn to be creative? Can it truly innovate, or is it just mimicking human creativity? These are big questions that artists are grappling with as they work with AI. Let's talk about algorithmic aesthetics. How does a machine learn to interpret color, form, and style? How does it decide what looks good or bad? These are complex questions that involve a deep understanding of design principles, color theory, and visual harmony. But AI is up to the task. Through machine learning algorithms, it can analyze vast amounts of data, identify patterns, and make decisions based on what it has learned. As AI continues to evolve, we can expect to see even more incredible applications in the world of art. From hyper-realistic sculptures to immersive virtual reality experiences, the possibilities are endless. But with great power comes great responsibility. As artists and creators, we must be aware of the ethical implications of AI and ensure that it is used responsibly. Here are some of the big questions we need to ask. Who owns the copyright to AI-generated art? How do we protect the intellectual property of artists? And how do we ensure that AI does not perpetuate harmful stereotypes or discriminate against certain groups? These are challenging issues that require careful consideration and thoughtful discussion. So what does the future hold for AI and art? Will AI eventually replace human artists? Or will they continue to work side by side? Only time will tell. But one thing is for sure, AI is here to stay and it is transforming the world of art in ways we never imagined possible. Some experts predict that AI will become an indispensable partner for artists, helping them to generate ideas, execute their visions, and reach new heights of creativity. Others envision a future where AI curates our cultural experiences, selecting and showcasing the art that we see in museums and galleries. But perhaps the most intriguing possibility is that AI will become an independent creator, developing its own style, aesthetic, and challenging our notions of what it means to be an artist. Whatever the future may hold, one thing is clear: the world of art will never be the same again. So let's embrace the possibilities, explore the potential of AI, and ensure that this technology is used to enhance and enrich our lives. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video.